Comprehensive guide to managing the chart of accounts in 8sky's accounting software. Accessing the settings menu. Login. Start by logging into your 8sky's accounting software using your credentials. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the interface. Here, you'll find a settings button, typically represented by a gear icon. Click on this button to access the settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your software. Navigating to the chart of accounts settings. Locate chart of accounts. Within the settings menu, you'll see several options tailored to different areas of the software. Look for the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll manage the accounts that will appear on your financial statements. Understanding the layout, the chart of accounts is divided into two primary sections. Right side, this section lists accounts that will be reflected on your income statement, also known as the profit and loss statement. These include revenue and expense accounts. Left side, this section lists accounts that will be reflected on your balance sheet. These include asset, liability, and equity accounts. Basic understanding. It's essential to have a foundational understanding of which types of accounts belong to each section. For instance, expenses such as rent or utilities will appear on the income statement, while assets like cash or liabilities such as loans will appear on the balance sheet. Creating a new account. Example 1. Creating an expense account, Internet expenses. Step 1. Navigate to the right side of the chart of accounts, where accounts related to the income statement are managed. Step 2. Locate and click on the New Account button at the top right of the interface. Step 3. In the account creation form, enter Internet expenses in the account name field. Step 4. Next, select the appropriate account group. Since Internet expenses is a recurring cost related to operations, it belongs under the expenses group. Step 5. After entering all details, click the Create button to save the account. Example 2. Creating another expense account, Transport expenses. Step 1. Again, navigate to the right side of the interface. Step 2. Click on the New Account button. Step 3. In the account name field, type Transport expenses. Step 4. As this is another operational cost, place it under the expenses group. Step 5. Click Create to save this account. Example 3. Creating a liability account, bank loan. Step 1. This time, navigate to the left side of the chart of accounts, where balance sheet accounts are managed. Step 2. Click on the New Account button on the top left of the interface. Step 3. Enter bank loan in the account name field. Step 4. Since this is a liability, select the liabilities group. Step 5. Finally, click the Create button to save the account. Key considerations. When creating accounts, it's crucial to correctly categorize them based on whether they belong to the income statement or the balance sheet. Incorrect categorization can lead to inaccurate financial reporting. Deleting an account. Identifying accounts to delete. If there are accounts that are no longer needed or were created by mistake, you can easily delete them. Example 1. Deleting the donation account. Step 1. Locate the donation account within the chart of accounts. Step 2. Click on the Edit button next to the donation account. Step 3. After clicking Edit, a new option to delete the account will appear. Click on Delete. Step 4. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Confirm to permanently remove the account. Example 2. Deleting the computer equipment account. Step 1. Locate the computer equipment account within the chart of accounts. Step 2. Click on the Edit button next to the computer equipment account. Step 3. After clicking Edit, a new option to delete the account will appear. Click on Delete. Step 4. You'll be prompted to confirm the deletion. Confirm to permanently remove the account. Important note, deleting accounts is irreversible, so ensure that the account is truly unnecessary before proceeding. Editing an existing account. Purpose of editing. Sometimes, you might need to update account names to better reflect their purpose or align them with new naming conventions. Example, renaming the bank charges account. Step 1. Locate the bank charges account within the chart of accounts. Step 2. Click the Edit button next to the Bank Charges account. Step 3. In the Account Name field, update the name to Bank and Credit Card Charges to better describe the account. Step 4. Click the Update button to save your changes. Consistency. Ensure that your account names are consistent and descriptive, which will make your financial statements easier to understand. Final review and best practices. Double-check your work. After creating, deleting, or editing accounts, it's a good practice to review the chart of accounts to ensure that everything is correctly categorized and accurately named. Regular maintenance. Periodically review your chart of accounts to ensure it remains relevant to your business's needs. Remove obsolete accounts and update descriptions as necessary.